Hello Year 2, welcome back to Term 4. This week we are learning all about fractions in our maths lesson, and today we are going to be investigating equal groups. Before you carry on watching the video, I need you to go and gather some resources that you're going to need in the lesson. You're going to need lots of manipulatives, things that you can move around. Editing Miss Taylor here, just let you know you need to find yourself 20 manipulatives. Keep watching the video for some examples of manipulatives you may already have at home. Now at home, I've found lots of coins that I can use to help with my maths today. You might find some pasta at home that you could use. Make sure you ask your parents first. You might be able to find some socks that you could use. You could find some crayons to use or some colouring pencils. Or you might be able to find some game pieces that you could use as manipulatives as well. You could use a cereal like Cheerios or Shreddies to move around for your maths today. Or how about using some bottle tops for manipulatives? You could use your Lego to do your maths today. You could use stones from the garden. Or you could use money like me, whatever you've got at home lying around to help with your maths work today. Anything that you can use to move around for your maths work today. So pause the video now, go and have a look around your house. Ask first, don't forget, what could you use to help with your maths work today? And then come back ready for your maths lesson. Today, our learning intention is to make equal parts. To be successful, we need to split a quantity of objects into equal parts, also known as groups, by sharing. We're going to count how many parts we have made. We're going to count how many objects are in each part. And we're going to find more than one way of splitting the objects into equal and unequal parts. I have got 6 coins. I want to split my coins into 2 equal parts. I could do it like this. I have now split my coins into 2 equal parts. Each part has 3 coins in it. I could split my coins into 3 equal parts. Each part has 2 coins in it. What do you think the word equal means? Tell the screen now. That's it, well done. Equal means the same. Each part has the same amount of coins in it. I could split my coins into 2 unequal parts. This part has 4 coins in it. This part has 2 coins in it. I could split my coins into 3 unequal parts. This part has 1 coin. This part has 2 coins. This part has 3 coins. What do you think the word unequal means? Well done. It means that there are different numbers of coins in each part. They are not the same. I have got 8 coins. I could split my 8 coins into 2 equal parts, like this. Each part has the same number of coins in it, 4. They are equal because they have the same number of coins. I could split my coins into 4 equal parts, like this. there are 4 parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Each part has 2 coins in it. These parts are all equal. Year 2, can you tell me why all of these parts are equal? Because they all have the same number of coins in each part. I could split my coins into 2 unequal parts. Part 1 and part 2. Why are these parts unequal? Well done. It's because they're not the same. This part just has 1 coin in it, but this part has 7 coins in it. They are unequal parts. I could split my coins into 4 unequal parts. Part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. These are unequal parts because each part has a different number of coins in each. Okay, Year 2, can you count out 10 of your manipulatives that you collected at the beginning of the lesson? So your 10 coins, your 10 stones, your 10 bottle tops, your 10 Cheerios. 10 manipulatives ready for the next part of our lesson. Can you split your 10 things into 2 equal parts? Come back to the video when you're ready. Okay, did you split your 10 objects into equal parts like I have done? 1 part of 5, 2 parts of 5. Well done if you did. This time, can you split your 10 items into 5 equal parts? Come back when you're ready. Did you get yourself 5 pairs of 2? Part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 and part 5. These are equal parts because each part has 2 coins. This time, can you split your 10 objects into 5 unequal parts? Come back when you're ready. Okay, I've got 5 unequal parts. Each part has a different amount of coins. Therefore, they are unequal. This part has 1. This part has 3. This part has 2. This part has 1. And this part has 3. They are unequal. Today's learning challenge is a practical challenge and we're going to be making equal groups. Now what you'll find below this video is a sheet of picture cards. Please don't print them out and waste your ink cartridge, okay? All you need to take notice of from those pictures is how many objects there are in each. So for example, I've taken the pencil picture card. How many pencils are there? 4. So I'm going to use 4 coins that I've got on my table here. Okay, but I'm going to represent my coins with these grey circles. Okay, so these are my coins that I've got on my table next to me. Okay, in fact, I've got 3. Let's have 1 more. So how many altogether? There are 4. Now, I've got these sentence stems as well. You don't need to print these out either. You can if you want to print the sentence stems out, or you could just write them out, whatever's easier for you. So let's answer the second sentence together. They can be split into blank equal parts. So I now need to split my coins into their equal parts. So you could have part 1, part 2, part 1, part 2. So they have been split into 2 equal parts. There will be how many coins in each part? So how many coins are in each part? So there's 2 in this part and there's 2 in this part. So there will be 2 in each part. Okay, so I've got my cubes here. How many cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that means I need 10 of my coins, and you need 10 of your socks or 10 buttons, whatever you're using at home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okie dokie. So they can be split into how many equal parts? Let's start with 2. 1 part, 2 parts, 1 part, 2 parts, 1 part, 2 parts, 1, 2, 1 and 2. Are they equal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so they can be split into 2 equal parts. There will be 5 in each part. Do you think there's another way that we can split these into equal parts? I think there are too. So let's rub out our markings and let's try another one. So there's still 10 altogether. Let's try splitting them into 5 equal parts. Part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 and part 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So they can be split into 5 equal parts. How many in each part? 2. Fantastic. So there you go, that is what we're doing in maths today. Don't forget, you do not need to print the pictures out. Save your ink, please. Do use your manipulatives that you've been using today instead. See if you can do at least 4 of the picture cards. Don't forget that for some of the picture cards, there may well be more than 1 or 2 ways of sharing those objects into equal parts. Good luck, you two. Bye.